Hey there, creatives! Today, we're getting Adobe Illustrator up and running, and we'll dive into the brand new Objects on Path tool, a game changer for design. This tool is not just a feature, it's a gateway to a whole new level of design creativity. Before we start, check the link in the description below to download Adobe Illustrator so you can follow along with me as we explore this awesome new feature. Alright, once you've clicked the link, you'll land on the Adobe Illustrator page. You will see an option where it says Start Free Trial. Go ahead and click that. If you don't have an Adobe account yet, this is the moment to create one. It's simple. Pop in your email, set a password, and you're good to go. After you're logged in, click on the Apps section and look for Adobe Illustrator. It should be on the top, so click on the Install option and in no time, you will have Adobe Illustrator ready to use. Now, when you open up Adobe Illustrator, we're heading straight to the Objects on Path tool. This tool lets you place objects precisely along any path you create. Think of it as a way to create perfect designs along curves, spirals, or even intricate custom shapes, all with a few clicks. With Illustrator open, create a shape or path, anything you'd like to work with. Then, select the Objects on Path tool and start placing objects along your path. It's fantastic for pattern making, balanced designs, and even creative typography. Imagine designing a logo where the elements flow along a curve or adding artistic touches with shapes along a custom path. The possibilities are endless. And there you go. You've got Adobe Illustrator set up and ready to go with this new, powerful tool to boost your creativity. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to stay tuned for more design tips and share this video with anyone who wants to level up their Illustrator game. Remember, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for joining me and happy designing.